of solution, and that is volume percentage. Volume percentage. Volume percentage, it is represented by V by V percent. V by V percent. Now what do you mean by the volume percentage? It is just similar to that of the mass percentage. In case of mass percentage, we are considering mass of the solute and solvent or mass of the solution. But in case of volume percentage, we will consider volume of components and volume of the solution. So what will be the definition of volume percentage? It is number of parts of solute or solvent present in 100 parts of solution, 100 parts of solution by volume. One thing keep it in mind here, at the last of definition we have to mention by volume. Then after it will be the definition of volume percentage. Now how can you calculate volume percentage of solute? Volume percentage of solute. So what will be our formula here? Volume of solution divided volume of solute divided by volume of solution multiplied by 100, and the volume percentage of solvent can be calculated by the formula 100 minus volume percentage of solute. I am taking one example of the volume percentage here. For example, 30 milliliter of ethyl alcohol. 30 milliliter of ethyl alcohol. What is the formula of ethyl alcohol? C2H5OH. And what is its IUPAC name? Its IUPAC name is ethanol. Okay? For example, 30 ml of ethyl alcohol is dissolved in 270 ml of water. Then calculate volume percent of alcohol. So in our numerical here, ethyl alcohol is solute. And water is solvent. And in our question we have to calculate only volume percentage of alcohol. So for the calculation of volume percentage of alcohol, first of all we will calculate volume of solution. And volume of solution is calculated by adding the volume of solute and solvent. So volume of solution equal to volume of solute plus volume of solvent. Solute 30 ml, volume of solvent 270 ml. So volume of solution will be 300 ml. And now volume percentage of ethyl alcohol. Volume percentage of ethyl alcohol is equal to 30 divided by 300 multiplied by 100. 100 3s are 300, 3 10s are 30. So the 10% of volume हो जाएगा ethyl alcohol का. So this is the second units to represent the concentration of solution, and that was volume percentage of volume percentage. Now our third concentration unit is molarity, which we have studied in class 11th as well. So the third concentration term is molarity, which is represented by capital M. Now what do you mean by molarity? It is number of gram moles of solute. Present in per liter of solution. This is the molarity. Now how can we calculate molarity? Molarity is equal to number of gram moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter, because it is the definition of demand that volume is in liter. So according to definition, the formula of molarity will be N by V. Now, what is number of moles? Number of moles equal to mass of solute divided by molar mass of solute. Molar mass of solute. Mass of solute is represented by WB and molar mass of solute is represented by MB. If we were putting the formula of number of moles here, so our new formula of molarity will be mass of solute divided by molar mass of solute multiplied by volume of solution in liter. Volume of solution in liter. In most of the cases, whenever we solve numerical, volume is given in milliliter. So, if volume is given in milliliter, so new formula of the molarity will be mass of solute multiplied by 1000 divided by molar mass of solute multiplied by volume of solution. So with the help of this formula, we can calculate molarity of the solution, and the unit of molarity is mole per liter. Mole per liter. Now there are some other formula related to the molarity. One formula is dilution formula or neutralization formula. Another formula of molarity is dilution formula. Dilution formula, and that is M1V1 is equal to M2V2. This is molarity of first solution, and this is the volume of first solution, and then this is the molarity of the new solution. It will be the volume of new solution. If density and mass percentage of solution is given, density and mass percentage, that is X percentage, is given, then the formula to calculate the molarity is equal to X into D into 10 divided by M molar mass of solute. Molar mass of solute, where X is mass percentage of solute, D is density of solution. So with the help of this formula, we can calculate molarity of any type of the solution.